How to check if someone is online in Google Chat. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel, Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to check if someone is online in Google Chat. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Google Chat application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in by entering your login credentials. Now, tap on the chat option from the bottom toolbar. You will now be able to see all the individuals you have sent a text to. To see if someone is online or not, beside the user's name, you will see a small dot. If the dot is like a circle and colorless, you can tell that the person is not online, and if the dot is green, then you can see the person is online. So, this is how you can check if someone is online in Google Chat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.